May I direct Vice Chair Bel Zamora to confirm to the committee that the BIR box remains sealed.
Yes, Madam Chair, as seen from the four sides of the box remains sealed and we still see the tape that was placed there as well as the signature uh, of the Commissioner. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The floor is now open for manifestation, clarificatory questions, motions regarding the question of whether or not to open the BIR box.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Mika Gonzalez and then the Honorable Laila De Lima.
Thank you, Madam Chair. That is correct, Madam Chair. Last April 2022, we laid on the table the decision on whether we should open the box together with the Commissioner. So, Madam Chair, with that being said, I move that today, April 29, we decide on this committee whether we open the box or we maintain the box intact and sealed. Thank you, Madam Chair.
May I request the Honorable Gonzalez to clarify the motion? Is it a motion to open or motion not to open?
I move, okay, I would like to rephrase. I move, Madam Chair, Tagalogin na lang po natin, na desisyonan na po natin ng issue na ito kung bubuksan o hindi ang box na isinumite ng BIR noong nakaraang committee hearing.
Perhaps that is a manifestation of her intention that we deliberate first on the issue of whether we will open or not open the BIR box. Thank you, Honorable Gonzalez. Now
you,
we
Madam Chair.
recognize the Honorable Laila De Lima.
maraming salamat po. Mine is a manifestation and emotion. Gusto ko pong ulitin at panindigan yung aking naging posisyon last hearing nung tinalakay po natin yung laying on the table ng issue na to para na bubuksan ba o hindi yung BIR box at i-examine yung mga tax records. Presumably yung laman yan ay yung mga BIR tax records na kasama po sa subpoena.